Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Coinbase OAuth in mobile apps. Beginner. To authenticate with Coinbase OAuth in your mobile app, begin by creating a Coinbase account if you haven't already. Once your account is set up, navigate to the Coinbase developer portal. Here, click on Create an app to initiate the process. Fill in the required fields, including your app name and description. Select the appropriate OAuth scopes based on the permissions your app will need. After completing the form, submit it to create your application. You will receive a client ID and a client secret. Keep this information secure. Next, set up your app's redirect URL in the developer portal. This URL is where users will be redirected after they authorize your app. Now, integrate the Coinbase OAuth SDK into your mobile application. If you're using Android, add the necessary dependencies in your Gradle file. For iOS, use CocoaPods or Swift Package Manager to include the SDK. Once integrated, initiate the OAuth flow by redirecting users to the Coinbase authorization URL. Include your client ID and redirect URL as parameters in the request. When users access this URL, they will be prompted to log in and authorize your app. After the user authorizes the app, Coinbase will redirect them to your specified URL with an authorization code. Capture this code in your app. To exchange the authorization code for an access token, make a POST request to the Coinbase token endpoint. Include your client ID, client secret, redirect URL, and the received authorization code in the request. If successful, the response will include an access token and a refresh token. Store these tokens securely, as they will allow you to access the user's Coinbase account. Use the access token to make authorized API requests on behalf of the user. Keep in mind that access tokens have an expiration period. Utilize the refresh token to obtain a new access token when needed. Ensure your app handles token expiration and refresh seamlessly. With these steps, your mobile app should be successfully integrated with Coinbase OAuth for user authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.